Hello and welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is decree. It's pronounced de-cree, and it is spelt D-E-C-R-E-E. Think deck and then re with two E's. A decree is an official order issued by a legal authority. For example, you could say, the Queen issued a royal decree closing all schools for the day. Decree comes from the Old French décret, which in turn comes from the Latin word decretum, meaning something decided. If something is decreed, it has already been decided and it is being announced or ordered. See the connection? In Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, Hogwarts School is taken over by the evil Miss Umbridge, who puts into place a number of new school rules or educational decrees. These included: no music was to be played while studying, all student clubs and teams were banned, no sweets were allowed, and girls and boys must stay at least 6 inches away from each other at all times. These educational decrees were official orders from a legal authority, in this case, the Ministry of Magic. Maybe this will help you remember the meaning of the word decree. Decree can be used as both a noun and a verb. For example, you could use decree as a verb and say, the king decreed that the knights were to go out and fight the dragon. Or you could say, a new royal decree was proclaimed across the land, which uses decree as a noun. Decree is defined in the dictionary as an official statement that something must happen. Decree's synonyms include order, edict, command, commandment, mandate, proclamation, dictum, fiat, promulgation, precept, law, statute, act, bill, ordinance, regulation, rule, injunction, enactment. Antonyms include answer, disorganization, lawlessness. See if you can notice any decrees today. Maybe your head teacher introduces a new decree or a new rule at school this week. Either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word, decree. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.